We present the OneBody system, providing an in-body experience for motor skill training for martial arts. Martial arts training involves a student and a teacher. Traditional techniques of instruction requires constant observation and mental effort by the student to translate the third-person view of the teacher to first-person view before attempting the movement. OneBody combines the view of two human bodies in one display using immersive technology, such as the Oculus Rift virtual reality headset, and body tracking technology, such as the Microsoft Kinect. Both the student and the teacher are tracked. Their virtual avatars are rendered in the virtual world and merged to completely overlay each other to help with aligning their movements. Using natural head movement, the student can look directly at the different parts of the body to match the teacher movement. In other words, the student can have an in-body experience, first-person view of the teacher through their virtual avatars. The system enables the teacher and the student to be located in different locations,